Hello class 2, good morning. How are you? Fine. So, class 2, we have just started, in the previous part we have just started chapter 4, that is nouns singular and plural, and we have done A and B exercise of page number 22, and today I will tell you some of the rules of making singular to plural. Maybe one or two rules I have told you earlier. Then also I will start from the spelling rules of singular and plural. Okay. This is the oral part. Okay. I am just making you understand it. You need not write in your notebook. ये notebook में नहीं लिखना है. And write your names in the discussion box if you are attending the class. So I tell you, if the words are in singular, how you have to make them plural. Okay. Maybe in some of the chapter of your course book I have told you these rules. Then also it is in your grammar book, so I am repeating the same. Okay. If the words that ends with S, like if it is bus, it is dress, we have to add ES. What you will add? You have to add ES, and the plural of the same will be buses, dresses. This is the first rule. Okay. And the same rule goes with SH ending words also. Like if it is brush, B-R-U-S-H, brush, then also the same rule follows that you have to add ES, and the word will be as brushes, B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Now the next is, if the word ends with ch, that is, if it ends with ch, or you can say ch, it follows the same rule. It follows the same rule that you have to add ES, and it will become benches, B-E-N-C-H-E-S. So this particular spelling rule is about the last sound or the last letters. If the naming word ends with S, double S, SH or CH, we add ES to the words to make them plural. Okay? Kindly pay attention to it, that if the word ends with S, double S, SH or CH, the words are added up with ES to make them the plural form, into the plural form. Like bus, buses, dress, dresses, brush, brushes, bench, benches. Some words like which end with X, that ends with X. In the same rule, we are going to cover this also. If any word is there that ends with X, the same rule is there, ES will be added, and the plural word will be foxes. The plural word will be foxes. So, what is माइनस भी करना है और प्लस भी करना है। इसका मतलब ये है कि कुछ लेटर्स ओमिट करने, ओमिट का मतलब होता है हटाना, एंड कुछ लेटर्स उसके बदले ऐड करना है। सो हियर द लास्ट साउंड एफ will be replaced with VES. The last sound f will be replaced with VES. इसको बार बार बोल रही हूँ मैं so that आपको याद रहे. Okay, so the sound f will be replaced with VES, and so wolf will become wolves. Wolf will become wolves. Thief will become thieves. Thieves. See, I am not writing F. I have just written THIEVES. Life will become lives. 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 Class 2, pay attention towards it, towards the spelling rule, because next page will be your homework, because it is based on the spelling rules only. Okay, the next page, the next exercise I am going to give you as homework. And leaf will become leaves. 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 So here this is rule number 2, that we have to omit F, and instead of F you have to add VES. F को हटा के VES add on करना है. Instead of F we have to write VES to make the naming words plural. To make the plural of the naming words whose last sound is F or F, we have to write VES instead of F. Now I am going towards the third rule. Okay, till now we have got to know 2 rules. Okay, actually we have got to know 3 rules. The first rule is add S. Add S. The second rule is if the naming word ends with S, double S, CH, SH or X, just add ES to the word to make them plural. Okay, to make it plural. And the third rule says that if any naming word that ends with F at last or FE, you have to omit F, and instead of F you have to write VES to make the words to their plural form. Now the fourth I am going to tell you the fourth rule of making singular to plural. Okay, and the fourth rule is same as the previous rule, but the letters are different. And here, if suppose The new word will be cities. C-I-T, omit Y and write I-E-S instead. उसके बदले I-E-S लिखिए. Now babies. B-A-B-I-E-S. Babies. Are you understanding it? Are you understanding it? Next is flies. F-L-I. F-L. The word is F-L-Y. So we will write F-L-I-E-S. Don't write Y. Okay. During writing, while writing plural to these kind of words, student may get confused and they may commit mistake. हो सकता है उनसे mistake हो जाए. Mistake ये होता है कि बच्चे B-A-B-Y लिख लेते हैं, फिर उनको याद आता है ये तो Y वाला वर्ड है, तो इसमें I-S लगाना है. तो in this manner students may commit mistake. They may do the mistake as Y भी लिख लेते हैं और I-E-S भी लिख लेते हैं. So this will be the wrong one. So don't be confused. You have to omit the last letter Y and you have to write I-E-S instead. In the same manner, lorry will become lorries. L-O-R-R-I-E-S. Lorries. Okay? So, how many rules till now we have learned? We have learned till now 4 rules that to make singular to plural, we need to add S for ch, s, s and sh. Like words, we need to add es. For the words that end with f, we need to omit f and write ves instead. And 4th rule says that if any naming word ends with y, so omit y and write ies instead. Now we are going towards the 5th rule. We are going towards the 5th rule, and the 5th rule is something different. The 5th rule is something different. You can rather say it's a vowel rule. It's a vowel rule of singular and plural. ये singular and plural का vowel rule है. ठीक है? Now I am writing some words that have vowel in them, like man, man. Okay. F-O-O-T, foot. These words are in singular form. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. Sorry. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. G-O-O-S-E, goose. All of you know that these are naming words. Man is a person, foot is a part of a body, tooth is again a part of the body, mouse is an animal, and goose is an animal. Or it is a goose is a bird. So here, as you are looking that man has a vowel A, foot has a long vowel oo, tooth has again a long vowel oo, it has a vowel ow, and here vowel oo. So this will be changed. ये जो मैम ने मार्क किया है वो चेंज होगा, and man will become men. Man will become men. In singular it was man, in plural it will become men, men. The next is foot. The long O sound will be replaced by long E sound. Okay. Foot, feet. Next is tooth. In the same manner, teeth, mouse, mice. See, O-U is replaced by I. And here goose, geese. So class 2, you have to remind them. You have to remind them. You have to keep all these rules in your mind. Okay? Now, the next rule is, here it is written C, and two examples I have not written. Those are ox, oxen, child, children. Okay? And at last it is written, some singular nouns do not change their form when they become plural. कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जो singular में भी वही होते हैं और plural में they remain the same, like sheep. Sheep is used as singular as well as plural. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer. That moose, aircraft, fish, etc. They don't have plural forms. Now, class 2, take out your book, page number 24. Take out your book, page number 24. Take out your book, page number 24. The same is your homework. It is not working. See, this is the same page that we were learning. Okay? This is the same page. This is page number 23. Okay, these were the rules that I was saying. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Life, lives. City, cities. Baby, babies. Fly, flies. Man, men. Woman, women. Food, feet. Tooth, teeth. Ox, oxen. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. Okay, and here it is written, some singular nouns do not change their form when they become plurals. For example, sheep, deer, moose, aircraft, fish, etc. Now come to this page here. This is homework for you. This is homework for you because I have made you understand 4 to 5 rules. According to the rules, or you can follow page number 23 for doing this homework. You have to choose the correct plural form for the singular one. 2 or 3 I will do. Then afterwards you have to do this. Okay? Spelling rule को आपको ध्यान में रखते हुए इसके plural form को marking करना है. Like M-A-N, man. The plural form of man is men. Here goat. The plural form of goat is goats. Candy. Last में Y है. Last में Y है, इसका मतलब ये है कि Y को omit करना है and उसमें IES add करना है. Here the word is. Okay. For doing this, okay, don't look at each and every option. आपको आंसर पहले पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है? आप अगर आंसर पहले से जान रहे होंगे, you will not be confused after seeing the options. आप अगर आपको आंसर पहले से पता होगा तो आप वही आंसर ढूंढ सकते हो. Okay, goose. It has a long oo sound. और long oo sound की जगह पे E आना चाहिए. So where is E? Here it is. Okay, so class 2, this is your homework. I am doing up to 5. Okay, number 5 is child. The plural of child is children, and here it is. Don't get confused that children's is not any word. Children's जो है कोई भी word नहीं है. The specific word, the specific plural form of child is children. वो कभी-कभी गलती से children's हो जाता है, बोल देते हैं, but it is not correct. Okay, so here it is the exercise that I have done up to 5. The next is 6 to 11 or 12 it is, that is your homework. Now I am moving towards next exercise. The next exercise is you have to mark. What you have to do? You have to mark the plural form in the box. Encircle the plural forms in the box. We will read each and every word. इसमें सारे words को read करेंगे and we will get to know that कौन सा word जो है वो plural है. Like I am doing like this. See, bottle singular, teeth plural, lilies plural, children plural. Question ये कहता है encircle the plural forms. Plural forms को encircle करना है. Next is board singular, pouches plural, foot singular, biscuit singular, boxes plural, boxes plural, pencil singular, tray singular, paper singular, mice plural, cables plural, drums plural, door singular, photo singular, men plural, peace singular, trophies plural, spoon singular, and here it is deer. This deer is the word that is same in singular as well as in plural form. So अगर आप चाहो तो उसको encircle भी कर सकते हो, अगर चाहो तो encircle नहीं भी कर सकते हो. So I am considering it as plural here. So I am encircling it. Deer, knights, flags. These are plural. Okay, so we have completed page number 24 also, and page number 25. The last exercise is left. Take out page number 25. 25 is write the plural form of the following. We have to follow the rules for doing this. Okay. So I was thinking if you can do it, I will do up to number 6 and you have to do from 7 to 12. And this part is your oral part. Okay, that I am not going to do now. अभी नहीं करेंगे. In the next part, later parts, I will do it. So fly. Fly has Y in it. So according to the rule, Y को omit करके IES लिखना है. So the answer will be flies. The question is write the plural forms of the following words. Second is woman. यहाँ पर vowel rule लगाएगा and it will become woman. MEN. We will follow the vowel rule here. Number 3, thief. Again, F is at last, so we have to omit F and instead of F you have to write VES. THIEVES. F-E, you have to write V-E-S. So the answer will be W-I-V-E-S, wives. Number 5, lorry. I have given you this example while I was teaching the rule. So instead of Y, we will write I-E-S. L-O-R-R-I-E-S. And for child, you have to write children, and the spelling is C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. So class 2, that's all for today. Okay, from number 7 to number 12, you have to do it because this is your homework of the day. Some questions from this question and some questions from the question that is given on page number 24. So class 2, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.